Hey guys, Trader Worth the Risk here with the Crypto Collective, and I just wanted to welcome you to part 4 of the Binance tutorial series. And in our last episode, we covered how to use the futures platform. I showed you guys a really small scalp trade on XTZ Tezos. So let's have a look at that trade, and it's actually been going pretty well. I've made 24% profit. It was only just $100 quick example trade. I'm not going to let this run because it was just an example. I'm going to get out of the trade now. And I'm going to show you guys how you can use the margin tokens of Binance to trade with leverage without liquidation. So first we're going to close the position. We're going to click here, the price. We're going to make sure we click reduce only. And let's close that up. All right, so we got our trade history. What do we make? We made $20 US, 20% nice quick 20% profit. All right, so I'll show you guys they're not. I guess a lot of people do know about them, but they're not that well known. So I'll just show you guys these new tokens. They're actually created by FTX Exchange, and now they're available on Binance as well. So you're going to go, first of all, you're going to need money in your spot account. So let's go to transfer and let's take the money that we've got out of our futures just so we can see our balances of everything. So we're going to go Bitcoin futures, coin futures, and we're going to transfer out our Bitcoin as well. There we go. So this is in our spot wallet now. And we've got our Bitcoin and our USDT. So we're going to go up here, derivatives to leverage tokens. Now there's actually two ways you can get buy and sell these tokens. You can go up here, leverage tokens. And as you can see, you've got XTZ down, XTZ up, BNB down, BNB up. And basically you're buying a token that's going to give you profit on whether whatever the token's linked to is going up or down. So these aren't actually the same price as the XTZ down token isn't the same price as XTZ. But basically, you can invest in this token. If you want to short XTZ, you're going to buy XTZ down. Sorry, you're going to short XTZ down, and it's going to give you 3 times the amount of profits with no liquidation. If you want a long XTZ, you're going to buy XTZ up. It's going to give you 3 times the profits without liquidation. So you're going to go to this part of Binance, leverage tokens, and you can go here and you can, we just traded XTZ, so we'll just do the same one. And the spot wallet has my US dollars. We can subscribe, we can confirm subscription. And the first time using this, it's gonna come up with a bit of a quiz and a bit of an explanation of what the leverage tokens are. You're gonna have to answer these questions. All right, so we're in now. So that's for you guys to understand what you're actually investing and trading in before you get into this. Now, I've already got another account on Binance, so I've already done it on there, which is why I was skipping through it. But make sure you do have a read of that. It's actually got a very nice video that's going to explain the whole function of these tokens to you. So I clicked redeem and subscribe before, and it's taken me to the exchange. Okay, so if you want to search the different tokens, you're going to have to go to derivatives, leverage tokens. You can look at them there, or you're going to go up here and you're going to select ETF and it's going to give you a list of these leveraged tokens you can trade without liquidation. So basically the way it works is if I was to buy here 100% of my balance in the leveraged token, so I now hold this amount of XTZ up down here in XTZ. So if XTZ goes up, whatever it goes up, I'm going to actually earn 3 times the amount without it being liquidated. And the same thing, if I want to, look, I'm going to exit the position now. I just wanted to show you. It's not that important. Let's get out. Now, if we wanted to actually short, we're going to go to XTZ down. All right, so yeah, we don't actually sell. If we want to make money on XTZ down, we're actually going to buy the token XTZ down. And if the price of XTZ drops down, we're going to profit off this token. So if I was to buy this, I'll just buy it again as an example. All right, so you can see down here, it's got XTZ down. If I want to get out of it, I can redeem. I can go bang, confirm redemption, and I've got my US dollars back. So that's just a different way for you guys to actually trade and invest altcoins. And these are becoming a pretty popular thing in crypto. So this was only a quick video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And on my next video, which is the final in the Binance tutorial, I'm going to be covering how to use the savings platform to stake your coins. So I'll see you on the next video, guys. Thanks a lot.